Hey all, thanks for tuning in. Today I conducted a usability test for two slideshow generators, Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. Both programs are quite easy to use and offer similar functionality. However, I found that PowerPoint particularly excelled in adding audio and video to slides as it is much more versatile. It is simple enough to insert a clip in either program by clicking Insert and then choosing what sort of media you need. However, Google Slides restricts the audio and video files you can insert. It only allows you to insert videos from YouTube, a web link, or Google Drive. Likewise, you can only insert audio clips from Google Drive. This means you may have to convert files to insert the clip you want. PowerPoint, on the other hand, allows you to record your own audio or insert it from any source. You can even screen record and insert this onto your slides. As for video, you can use their stock footage, the web, or your own file. This versatility gives my vote to Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for listening, and please contact me with any questions.